At 11, most of Kentucky's health orders are gone. For the first time in more than a year, people were out this evening enjoying life in Kentucky without pandemic restrictions. Thanks so much for joining us tonight at 11. I'm Tanya O'Rourke.
And I'm Craig McKee. The Bluegrass State joins Indiana and Ohio now in taking that big step in this pandemic. That means, for the most part, the entire tri-state is following the very same guidelines.
WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan breaks down the details and explains why state leaders say this does not mean we've crossed the finish line.
With a few strokes of his pen Friday, Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear eliminated most of the Commonwealth's health orders related to COVID-19.
But after more than 15 months of struggle and of sacrifice, we can say this: while COVID remains a threat, we are no longer in crisis.
We track the data every day as part of our public health work. And so we were feeling like we have made significant progress.
Dr. Lynn Sadler with the Northern Kentucky Health Department says the governor's words came as a huge relief. With cases, hospitalizations, and deaths plummeting since January, Northern Kentucky Health says it shows just how effective the COVID-19 vaccines are.
Encouraging people to get vaccinated, because when you look at the data and the graphs and the science, you can see very clearly the game changer has been the vaccine.
Governor Beshear rescinded most of Kentucky's health orders Friday, something Ohio did June 2nd and Indiana did back in late March and early April. That means there are no longer any capacity limits or social distancing requirements for businesses or events, no statewide curfews, and only limited mask mandates in all 3 states. Following CDC guidelines, people will still need to wear masks on public transportation and in healthcare settings, including nursing homes. Private businesses do have the option to enforce mask policies and social distancing if they choose.
I want people to feel very encouraged and enthusiastic and excited about the changes. Still use common sense, but the big thing is being vaccinated.
We're reaping the rewards of doing it right and getting back to normal. But let us never lose sight of what it costs to be here.
All 3 states are encouraging people over the age of 12 to get vaccinated. Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.